Hey guys, JCZ BMX. Today we're going to be doing a bike check on my 2005, let's say, because I don't really know the year because we just found this thing in a bike shop. So we're going to do a bike check on this, DK generally, and then my subrosa. I can't remember the name of it because we bought it off some guy and there's no telling what it is, but we'll get to that later. So starting off, we have the Jet stock 16-inch generally fork. I never told you that it was a 16-inch because I'm a dipstick. But we have a GT Perform peg. Had that on warm-up on the GT last bike check. And then we have some random Walmart tire. And then generally I'm pretty sure, generally cross-lace spokes, nobody cares. Stock gyro tabs thing, I don't really care. But we have fly bars. This is a DK generally. Top load headset. Yeah. Frame is a DK.
It's a stem.
Stem. This is a stem. I'm a dipstick. The frame is a 16-inch DK generally. Brake. Blah. I don't know how many teeth this sprocket is, but it's a DK generally sprocket.
No, it's just a DK sprocket.
DK sprocket. No. I'm pretty sure this is a KMC chain because most BMX bikes run it. DK bottom bracket, 3-piece cranks, horror pedals, another, aftermarket brake pads, Tetra, I don't know how to say the brake name.
Tektro
brakes. Aftermarket pads on both sides, another performer peg, back hub, Maxxis tire. I said that right.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah, you didn't say Maximus like you always did.
Maxxis tire, cross-lace spokes. My back was loose as freak.
It is? Your hub's loose.
Well,
My hub's loose.
We have the DK generally wheel, and I'm pretty sure that's it for this. So let's move to the subrosa. To the subrosa for this part of the video, vlog, whatever you want to call it. So starting off, we have. I'm pretty sure the stock subrosa. I don't know what wheel hub and hub, whatever. Crosslace, subrosa tire, I'm pretty sure. Brake cable, stock bars, Cyrus sticker, and then blue sticker, and then nobody cares. I'm pretty sure these are Tetra brakes too. No, they're not, but nobody cares. As you can see, it's a subrosa. Stock forks, stock bars. Federal grips, I remember that. We got the front load, I'm pretty sure that's what you call it, stem. Sorry, I'm new to this. And then we have the subrosa, I don't know what frame. It's very dirty because I haven't cleaned it in forever. We got the 3-piece cranks, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, 25-tooth sprocket, another Odyssey PC pedal, 3-piece, bottom bracket, I don't really know that, Huffy brake pads because the guy ran, we'll get to that when we get to the back wheel, but, the guy ran pads on the metal for too long, so we'll get to that when we get to the back wheel, so. Yeah, we got, I don't know what kind of brakes these are because it doesn't say them on it because I'm used to Tetra brakes, but yeah. So moving on to the, 9-tooth sprocket, 9-tooth back sprocket.
9-tooth driver.
What?
Driver?
Yeah, 9-tooth driver. I don't know what kind of chain this is.
KMC probably?
KMC chain, and now the back wheel. We have some type of horror wheel. I rode this once, and it sounded like junk, but it was the only wheel we could find with the flywheel too. So
Here. Just spin the pedals back.
Yeah, it sounds horrible. But, yeah, so we got this. Pretty sure 19mm bolts back here. This is just the tire that came on it. I'm gonna go see if I can find the original Subrosa wheel that came with it over here. And that's gonna be the end of today's vlog, but soon, or probably later today, because we're trying to catch up on the vlogs, because we haven't posted in about, what, 2 weeks straight?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we gotta get to work on that, but today we're gonna be filming 3 videos. 2 bike checks, an edit, and another bike check. No, yeah.
Like 2 bikes we're checking in one video, and then another bike check video with 1 bike.
Yeah. So that's gonna be ending today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment what you think of the video down below. See you guys.
Also, one more thing is, the JCZ BMX intro is just the JCZ right now, because I'm trying to work on a better intro now that we've improved a lot on our riding. But yeah, see you guys in the next video.